What if you could save money and help your local environment? That's the idea behind the Sustain Fairfax Challenge, a practical program designed to make it easy for everyone in Fairfax County to see the real cost savings that come from adopting sustainable practices and the real impact these solutions have on the environment. Small actions can make a big difference. Getting started is easy. Check out the website to sign up. Answer just a couple questions about your household and lifestyle, and immediately learn customized low-cost solutions that will reduce emissions, use less energy and water, and save you money on utility bills. Inside your home, actions like unplugging devices when not in use, adjusting your thermostat wisely, or washing your clothes with cold water are free and easy to do. Low-cost solutions include switching to LED bulbs and eliminating leaks at windows and doors. Outside, it's using rain barrels to collect water or planting native trees for shade. Bigger investments will lead to bigger savings and bigger impacts. Learn about the differences newer, energy-efficient household appliances will make. And if you're ready to consider even bigger green steps, like electric vehicles or solar panels, that's in there too. It all adds up to a significant cost savings and impact, and the program lays it all out for you to see. Sure, alone you're just one household, but when we join together, it's a community effort. With the Sustain Fairfax Challenge, joining forces with your friends and neighbors is easy. Create or join a team. It's easy to do on the website. What would it look like if your entire neighborhood took small steps? When your community works together, your collective impact is greater. Create goals, share successes and tips, and cheer each other on. Plus, a little friendly competition among teams never hurts.
Let's go, team!
Ready to join the movement? Visit sustainchallenge.fairfaxcounty.gov to sign up today. Save money, make a real impact together.